Hey everyone, hope you all doing great. Myself Jeevita. In this video, I'm going to discuss about different types of data. Understanding data type is very important. So we have two different types of data. One is quantitative data, other one is qualitative. What do you mean by quantitative? In the name itself, it suggests like it basically focuses on quantity of a certain thing. What do you mean by that? Quantitative variables are nothing but are numerical variables that represents countable or a measurable quantity. What do you mean by qualitative? A categorical variables or a text kind of data that represents names or a labels. We call such kind of data as a qualitative. The different examples of quantitative data are like number of students in a class, we can count them. Height of a students, we can measure them. Similarly, for qualitative, gender, male and a female. Eye color, so we have a different colors like black, brown, grey, blue, etc. Quantitative is classified into two different types. The first one is continuous data. It's one of the numerical data which is infinite or uncountable numbers within a specific range. Measurable quantities basically comes under continuous data. The next type of data is a discrete. Even discretors are numerical data which are like finite or accountable numbers. It is also called like a whole numbers. So that is basically a discrete. Let's look into the different examples related to continuous as well as discrete. Height of a plant. So we're gonna measure height of a plant. So it's a measuring thing. Weight of a student. Length of a movie, and also the temperature. So these are the different things which comes under continuous. Number of books, we can count the books. Number of students in a class, it's countable. Number of fishes in aquarium, so it's countable. And number of chocolates. So these are the different examples related to discrete. Qualitative is divided into two different types. One is nominal. Nominal is one of the scale which is used to label variables that follows no order. Even this comes under text kind of data, but it doesn't follow any order. There is no natural order for this nominal data. And what is ordinal? In the name itself, we can see that ordinal, it follows an order. It's a scale used to label variables that have a natural order. So let's look into the different examples for nominal and ordinal. Gender, male and a female, it doesn't follow any order. We can't see like male is first or female is next. So we can't give any order for that. Eye color and also hair color. So these are the different things that comes under nominal data which doesn't follow any natural order. Ordinal examples are like school grade. The grades will always follows the natural order like A grade, B grade, C grade. Satisfaction rate and also seniority level. It's like senior, mid level, junior level. So these are the different examples related to nominal and ordinal. Hope it's clear. This is all about the different types of data that one should understand.